Hi everybody, it's Jessica Zalkin with the Zalkin Group with eXp Realty. I am going to give you our October Denver real estate update. Got all my notes here. I'm going to try to do this in an orderly fashion. Well, first of all, everyone's asking me what's going on, I keep giving you the same spiel over and over. Prices are flat, days in the market are up, inventories up. We saw a little bit more of the same in September with a couple of exceptions. First of all, sale prices year over year went up 6.72%, September 2018 to September 2019. This stood out to me because I've been noticing, I did a whole evaluation of it November to November and was seeing only about 1% growth. This was a big number. So digging into it a little bit further, what I saw was actually the luxury market, so it's over $1 million. The average sales price there was up 6% year over year. That's huge. Other segments of the market, 750 to 999, that was only up like flat, basically. I think it was actually, one of them was down. 500 to 750, I think, was down like 0.28% or something like that. So what this tells me really at the end of the day is that 6.72% growth in sales price may be attributed to that luxury market. We're still seeing flat growth in the rest of the market. Days on market is up. It's up 18% year over year. So we're up to about a month, 33 days on market as an average. Obviously, as you get higher up in the price ranges, that number increases. Inventory is also up. We're 5.4% year over year up. It's about flat from August. The other number I noticed there, though, is that the other thing that's flat is our under contracts. So about the same number of homes, is slowly decreasing, have been going under contract June, July, August, September, which tells me about the same number of buyers are in the market, but the number of houses is increasing. This is great news for buyers. So really, what does this mean? We have prices in most price ranges steady, days on market increasing, and buyers still in the market. Well, for buyers, this means, you know what, you have more negotiating power. Use those days on market and leverage them. Sellers want to get rid of their properties. They've been waiting a little while. Use that for things. We're seeing more concessions. So, help with closing costs and things like that. If you need to sell with a contingency, you might have a little bit more luck right now. The other thing that we're seeing is rates are still low. So you have more choices, you have more negotiating power, and you have more buying power with those low rates. This is a good time to be in the market for a buyer, or at least better than it has been. Sellers, what are we seeing for you guys? Well, we're having some pricing challenges with sellers because we're all trying to price there right around that springtime pricing. And things are backing off from the spring. They're slowing down and they're flat. So this is actually becoming a challenge, not just for sellers, but also for agents. If you want to hear any anecdotes about that, I am happy to share quite a few that I've had personally. It's hard to tell you what the market's doing and where to price. The best advice that we have as professionals is price behind the market and let the market drive it up to the market value. If you want to move your property fast, make it look like a value, and then you're going to get buyers in and you'll get it bid up. If you try to chase the market price ahead of the market, expecting growth, you're going to be sitting for a while and looking at some pretty significant price reductions, because that's exactly what we're seeing. You have that opportunity, though, to go ahead and leverage those low rates. So accurate pricing, which is hard to say. So aggressive pricing combined with low rates really can get a lot of buyers in, because the buyers are staying in the market. There's that even amount of under contracts. Tells me that there's still buyers out there. They're not hibernating for the winter quite yet. So all in all, buyers, you're getting negotiating power. Sellers, you've still got buyers out there. And we have strategies to make sure you get your house sold quickly. I'd love to help you. If you have any questions about the stats, rates, or anything else that's going on right now, please feel free to shoot us an email, info@zalkingroup.com. That's info at zollkengroup.com. I look forward to answering your questions, and I look forward to giving you another stats update come November. Thanks, guys.